It's 2022, time for some New Year's resolutions, some goal setting, and for taking control of this year. G'day there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jesse Crow and I'm a traveling scientist, currently living here in Lorne, Australia. And on this channel, I share science-based ideas and advice to help you live a smarter, happier, and healthier life. Now let's be honest, the last couple of years have been pretty rubbish. And if you've had some stuff go not according to plan, let me know in the comment section down below. And for the record, that should be everybody, because everybody in the world has had to put up with a lot of crap in the last couple of years. But here in 2022, it's time for you to take control of your life and follow your dreams. And you're gonna do that today by setting some goals to help you get what you want out of life. And the reason you're gonna do this is because goal setting motivates us. It improves our focus and it helps us to reach success in life. And this has been proven by decades of research into goal setting theory, mainly by two scientists, Locke and Latham, and you can Google search those guys to learn more. But one of their main studies showed that 90% of the time, having challenging and specific goals set in place leads to a much higher performance than having a vague basic goal or no goal at all. So whatever it is that you want to achieve in 2022, let's set some goals right here, right now, and make it happen. First, you need to brainstorm. What do you want out of life? Think about your values and what you desire. Maybe you have some physical goals, like you want to lose some weight or build some muscle. Maybe you have some financial goals, like you want to save some money or finally get that promotion. Or maybe you have some personal goals, like you want to read more books or, I don't know, grow your YouTube channel. Now you've got some ideas of what you want to achieve, let's turn those into SMART goals. Now most people already know about SMART goals, so I won't harp on about it, but basically SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time sensitive. So first, make sure your goal is specific. Don't just say, I want to be more healthy, say, I want to lose weight specifically. Or I'm not going to say, I want to just grow my YouTube channel. I'm going to be specific and say that I want to make sure my subscriber number goes up. Next, make sure your goal is measurable. Put a number to it. So if you want to lose weight, say you want to lose 10 kilograms or 20 pounds. Or if I wanted to grow my subscriber counts, I'll say I wanted to get it to 50,000. Put a number on it. Thirdly, attainable. Make sure your goal is realistic. Don't try and lose like 200 kilograms or try and gain 10 million subscribers. It's not realistic. Make sure it's within your reach. Challenging, but still possible. Next is relevant. Make sure this goal is aligned with your values. It's got to be something that you want, something you're doing for yourself. Don't worry about what anybody else thinks. This goal is for you. And if it's relevant to what you value and what you desire, then it's a SMART goal. Finally, time sensitive. Make sure that you set a deadline for your goal to give you a time frame to work towards having that goal completed. For example, if you want to lose 10 kilograms, set a deadline of, say, 10 months. Or I want to reach 50,000 subscribers, I might set my deadline for the middle of the year, so a 6-month time frame to get it done. All right, now that you've got a few SMART goals in place, the next thing to do is to WOOP them. WOOP stands for wish, outcome, obstacles, and planning. And this concept of WOOP is all about mental contrasting, thinking about how good something would be if you achieve that goal and how bad it could be if you fail to achieve that goal. And by thinking about those two things side by side, it really motivates you to take action and achieve your goal. So the first step is wish. Take a few moments to close your eyes and wish for your goal. Next, think about the outcomes. How will your life change if you achieve that goal? What will the results look like? How will it feel? So if my YouTube channel grew bigger, I could start working for myself. I'd be making more money. I could, work on my own hours, work on what I want and when I want. It's a pretty good outcome. Third, think about the obstacles that could prevent you from achieving your goal. Maybe I'll get distracted from making videos, or maybe my computer will break down and I won't be able to create them anymore. And then the fourth and final part is to plan how you're going to achieve that goal and deal with any of those obstacles that might get in the way. So my goal is to get to 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. I plan to do this by consistently making more and better videos. And if any obstacles get in my way, I'll work through them. If my laptop breaks down, I'll get another laptop. If I get distracted from making videos, then I'll make up that time on the weekends. Take 5 minutes for each of your goals and WOOP them. Wish for them, think about the outcomes, think about the obstacles that could prevent you from achieving that goal, and then make a plan that sets you in motion and sets you up for success. It sounds a bit ridiculous, but studies have proven that whooping helps you to achieve your goals and gain success, no matter how bizarre it sounds. I get it, whoop. It sounds stupid, but it works. And finally, I've got 3 tips to help you set and achieve your goals in 2022. The first tip is to give yourself a few short-term goals. Rather than read 1 new book every month, you could just make it read 1 chapter every day. That way you're breaking your goals up into smaller pieces, making them a little bit easier and a little more achievable. Then every time you achieve those small goals, you get a little hit of dopamine. Check that box and give yourself a pat on the back. The second tip is to make yourself accountable by telling others. If you want to read more books, tell people about it. If you want to save some more money, tell your friends. That way they're going to ask you, how many books have you read? How much money have you saved? That way you're being held accountable for your goals. Other people are expecting you to read more books, to save more money, and that's going to help you to achieve those goals. Finally, review your goals regularly. Write them down somewhere where you'll see them every day, next to your bed, on your bathroom mirror, or even on the background of your phone. Regular reminders will help you to keep on track with your goals, and you'll also be able to reflect and think, are you on the right path to achieve that goal? And if you are, great. But if you're not, you can maybe adjust the goal or adjust your behavior to get back on track and make that goal happen. So there you go, guys. By writing down some goals, you can set yourself up for success in 2022. Then by whooping, you can use mental contrasting and planning to make those goals happen. Finally, by keeping yourself accountable and regularly reviewing your goals, you can stay consistent, take control of your life, and really find success in 2022. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope this video inspired you and you subscribe for more videos in the new year. Cheers.